There's some testing we did with PT100s. This one not fitted with track grips on. As you can see, just slid off down the hill and had to park it up while we changed the operators, because the first operator, this thing got away on him, and now with the new operator who's been driving this for 5 years, he jumped in and ended up taking it down through the gorse here and putting a few scratches on it, which wasn't the intention of the first place, but I guess these things happen when you're doing some testing. And what we were doing here was trying to get back up to where he was to start with, and there was absolutely no way, because once the tracks clogged up with mud, there was no way it was going to go anywhere but back down again. We even backed it down the hill, as you can see now, and got the thing fitted up to full speed and had a good run at the hill. And once again, it still didn't go any further than when we first tried it, so there was only one way, was to go and park the thing up and go and get it fitted with some track grips. So you will see we parked it back down the bottom of the hill here and went and fitted track grips to the old machine, and as you can see, only 500 apart. And on the steel track machine you'll be looking at a metre apart, or every fifth shoe. But the difference is night and day. Because of the steel, it just bites straight into the ground, and as you can see here, there's no way that the one fitted with no track grips had a chance of getting up here, and this thing just climbed all the way to the top of the hill, as you will see, and not once did it let go or become unsafe for the operator. And we didn't have to change operators on this go as we did on the first attempt. Even up here, it was so slippery you couldn't even walk back down there without sort of holding on, and that once it went up there, no problems, never looked like stopping or becoming unsafe for the operator, as I said. And once we backed down here, we then put it to work, so you can see how steep it was. And this works the same on an excavator or a dozer, so these fit just the same way on the steel tracks as they do onto the rubber tracks. You can see them fitted here. This was straight into work. This gorse was as high as the machine, and this thing just ploughed through there, no problems at all. Don't worry about scratching this one. And as you can see, it got right up to the top of there. This was so darn steep that even the operator was surprised on where it was going, and this guy's been driving these things for 5 years, even in the pouring down rain, which you wouldn't be working in here without track grips. The profitability of being able to run the machine in snow and ice all day long makes a big difference. As you can see there, 42.5 degrees that was operating on. Here we're running the new machine with no track grips on, and there was no way that it could even climb up in here. We gave it our best shot, but as you can see, it just slid back down the hill. And this was only at the bottom of the hill. So then we parked that up again and got the one out that had the track grips fitted, and once again up to the same places where the one got stuck before, just chewed into the ground, and away it went, straight up there. As you can see, this ground was already tuned up and was very slippery at this point, and obviously without the track grips on, there was no way it was going up there. This works the same on the dozers, or like I say, the steel tracks on the excavators. Once again, very, very safe.